Welcome, visionaries and trailblazers, to the epicenter of financial evolution, finance and blockchain hub. I'm Kevin, your guide on this exhilarating odyssey into the uncharted territories of finance, where conventional norms meet the boundless possibilities of blockchain and cryptocurrency. Buckle up, because we're not just witnessing the future, we're shaping it. If you've ever questioned the age-old norms of currency, if you've dreamt of a world where trust is inherent in every transaction, and if you're ready to embark on a journey where the lines between innovation and finance blur, you've just stepped into the gateway of a financial revolution. Get ready to transcend the ordinary, challenge the status quo, and explore the limitless potential of finance and blockchain hub. Now, let's dive into the heart of our mission, unraveling the enigma that is blockchain technology. Picture a world where trust is not just earned but embedded in every transaction. That's the promise and potential of blockchain. Our journey together will involve delving into the foundational principles of this groundbreaking technology, exploring its real-world applications across industries, and examining the pulse of innovation that propels this revolutionary space forward. As we navigate this complex landscape, expect not just information but a guided exploration into the very fabric of the decentralized future. Shifting gears, let's talk crypto. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a crypto-curious novice, our channel is your dedicated space for breaking down the intricacies of digital currencies. From the colossal giants like Bitcoin and Ethereum to the nimble newcomers known as altcoins, we're here to decode market trends, conduct meticulous project analyses, and deliver expert insights. Each video aims not only to inform but to empower you with the knowledge needed to make confident decisions in the dynamic world of cryptocurrencies. Consider this your personalized roadmap through the vast and ever-evolving crypto landscape. In the fast-paced realm of blockchain and cryptocurrency, being ahead of the curve is the name of the game. This segment of our journey is dedicated to keeping you well-versed in the latest developments. From pivotal regulatory shifts that can sway the market to the game-changing partnerships shaping the future of finance, we're your eyes and ears in an ever-changing landscape. Think of us as your digital newsroom, delivering timely updates and insightful analysis to keep you informed and ready to navigate the twists and turns of this exciting industry. Education is the backbone of finance and blockchain hub. Whether you're an industry expert or someone taking their first steps into the world of finance and blockchain, we've tailored our content to meet you where you are. Our commitment is to demystify even the most complex topics, breaking them down into easily digestible, engaging content. Through our videos, we aspire not just to inform but to foster a community of learning where everyone, regardless of background, can come together to explore and understand the transformative power of blockchain and cryptocurrency. So, if you're excited about the unfolding future of finance, if you're eager to unravel the mysteries of blockchain, and if you're ready to navigate the intricate world of cryptocurrency, don't just watch, participate. Hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up to show your support, and most importantly, join the conversation down below. I'm Kevin, and this is Finance and Blockchain Hub. Consider this your invitation to join us on the forefront of the financial revolution. Subscribe now, and together, let's embark on a journey of exploration, learning, and discovery. Thanks for being here, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.